Hello children, today we are going to learn class 3rd science lesson number 8, Man the Living Machine. Now today we are seeing the explanation of this lesson. Okay, Man the Living Machine. Now living machine means what children? You are getting confusion. Living machine means what? Now we are the one type of a machine. We can move, we can speak, we can walk. Yes or no? Then your system, what organs are there? For that all the organs we are going to learn in this topic. Okay, now let us see. In this lesson we will read and learn about our sense organs. Yes, in this lesson we are learning about our sense organ, digestive system, nervous system, muscular system, reproductive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeleton system, excretory system. We are going to discuss in this lesson about this all the topics. Now let us see. Human body is just like a living machine because it has to do a lot of work. Yes children, human body is a one type of a machine. It have to do a lot of work. You can know you are doing the study, you are reading, you are learning. Yes or no? You are writing, you are doing the lot of work. Yes or no? That's why it is a one type of a machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Okay, now in this, see means you can know that. Hear means hearing the voice. Smell, something smelling. Taste, you know the taste. And feel, yes or no? You can feel it. It can also move, grow, breathe and reproduce. The human organ will see, they will take the smell, they can hear, they can taste and they can feel. But in this also, they can move from one place to another. They will grow, they will breathe and they will reproduce. Okay, now they will grow. When you was born, you was very small baby. Now you grown. Okay, you will move from the one place to another place. You people will breathe. Yes or no? Daily we people will breathe and reproduce. We will reproduce. Okay, human body is made up of cells. Now cells, human body is made up of a small cells. Cells join together to form a tissues. Now cells came together. All the means few cells came together, that is known as a tissues. Tissue join together to make an organ. Now 4-5 tissues joined together, then it will form the one organ. Okay, many organs together form an organ system. Many organs together, it will form the organ system. It will form the organ system. Different organs system work together to make the functioning of the body possible. Now different types of organs, they will come together. Why they will come? Because they are following the functioning the body. That's why all the organs come together. Okay, now let us learn about our sense organs. Last class you learned that. Last year, 2nd standard, you know that our sense organ means what? Here you can see eyes, nose, tongue, ear and skin. Okay, these are our 5 sense organs. Our eyes help us to see. What children, your eyes will help us to? Our eyes help us to see. Okay, you can see. Now you are reading. Yes or no? Now you are seeing. That is known as a seeing. Our nose help us to smell. Our nose will help us to smell. If your mom is cooking something, you will feel nice smell. You will ask, Mom, what you prepared something special today? You people will ask. Our tongue help us to taste. Yes, your tongues are very tasty because you people will like only tasty food. Okay. Our ear help us to hear. Our ears will help us to children hear. Okay. Our skin help us to feel. Now, somebody bet you means how you will feel. You will feel bad or not. You will start to cry. Yes or no, children? That is known as a feeling. All these sense organs are connected to the brain. Yes, all these 5 sense organ, whatever that eyes, nose, tongue, ears, these all the organs are connected to our brain. Okay, brain is a master organ of our body through the nerves. Now how it will be connected? Our nerves, you can see for the hand, you can see their nerves will be there. Okay, here you can see there, my nerves are there, you can see there. Okay, that is known as a nerves. This all the information, it will go through our nerves. There are many nerves are there. Okay, to our body, and that nerves will carry the information to our brain, and the brain will give immediately reply for that. If your mom she put in paneer more salt, means you will tell your mummy it is too much salty you prepared. Yes or no, children? Same the way, immediately it will give the information. Our sense organs send message to the brain. Yes, all these 5 sense organs, they will send a message to our brain. The brain makes us understand the picture, sound, smell, feeling and taste. Now, all the information our sense organ, they will send to our brain, and brain will help us to see the picture. What is the picture now? You are seeing that picture, you have to understanding, and as well as a sound. Now I am telling you people, now I am giving the explanation of this lesson, this sound, then you will understand. Teacher is explaining now lesson number 8. Okay, then smell, you know the smell. Okay, feelings, if someone bait you, otherwise your hand get burned, means you will feel immediately, you will feel I am getting something burning. Yes or no? You will feel that burning something. That's why you will remove your hand. Then the next one, taste it is. You will know that. You know that a good taste. Okay, you know that good taste. The different organs inside our body also carry out different functions. Let us read about them. Now many organs are there in our body, not living only sense organ. Living this sense organ, many organs are there that we have to learn today. In this chapter we are learning other organs that we don't know. That organs we are going to discuss about that. Now first one I will teach you, the respiratory system. RESPIRATORY. It is a respiratory system. The system in our body that help us to breathe is called the respiratory system. Now respiratory system means what? You people are breathing. Yes or no? We people daily will breathe. We'll take inside oxygen, we'll leave outside carbon dioxide. That is known as a respiratory system. It is made up of nose, pharynx and lungs, etc. It is a main important source is the nose, then pharynx, then lungs. These 2 lungs are there. We breathe in oxygen through our nose and give out carbon dioxide. Now we people breathe inside oxygen and we leave outside the carbon dioxide. The oxygen burns up the food we eat and give us energy. Now it will burns. The oxygen help us to burn the food. Now burning means what? You people knows burn means what? Full of fire. Yes or no? Burning means not that much fire it will be there. Just it will help to get the energy from that food. I hope today's you understood this respiratory system, children. Then today's work is you have to read this page number 62 and 63.